Hey everyone, Jason here. Okay, in today's video, we're going to show you how to build a customized single property website. So you need to be first logged in. So here you're logged in. You're going to click on Page Builder. Now this is definitely more of an advanced tutorial on how to build a site. So if you're a brand new person, you're welcome to watch. It's just a little bit more detailed. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go up to the top here and we're going to click on the plus and we're going to go to the templates. So these are our pre-built templates that we have, but we're going to click on blank. And then we're just going to go over here and we're going to say replace existing layout and then okay. So now we've got a completely blank page here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to the plus and we're going to go to the rows, and then under the rows you're going to see hero, details, data bar, amenities, photo gallery, video, contact, map, floor plans, coming soon, and landing page layout. So if we go over here, and it's kind of built in order, so if we take a look at kind of what this looks like, if I click on Aspen here, for example, it's going to load the Aspen, but this is the hero section, the details section. We've got the gallery, the video or virtual tour section, the contact section, and the map section. So we're going to go back up here, click on the blank, replace existing layout, and we're going to go here, rows, and we're going to go to heroes. So let's say we want to use hero number 2. I'm going to grab it, I'm going to drag it over. And now I'm going to say, okay, well now I want to add a details. So I want to add details number 4. I'm going to click and hold. I'm going to drag it over. See that blue bar? And then I'm going to drop it where I want it. So then we go over and we want to add a data bar. So let's go in and add bar number 1. So I'm going to grab that and I'm going to add it here. So, but let's say I change my mind and I actually want it up above. So I'm going to grab the 4 arrows and I'm going to click and I'm going to hold. I'm going to drag up the page and then I'm going to drop it where I want it. Okay. So now let's go in, data bar, and just kind of go down. And if you want to add some amenities, here are some amenities. I'm not going to actually add that. Photo gallery. So we're going to go down and I'm going to look for, I want to use a big gallery. So I'm going to grab the big gallery and I'm going to hold. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to drop that in there. Click on the next piece. So we've got this broken into video tours and then virtual tours. So if you have a link to a virtual tour that you want to include, you're going to actually use a virtual tour. If you have a video tour, such as a YouTube tour, that's embeddable, Vimeo or YouTube, you can actually add it directly from here. If it's a link, then you're going to actually use virtual tour. So let's go in and scroll down to the bottom of the page and you go ahead and grab this one and drag it and drop it where we want it. All right. So now we go and I know we have at least 2 more sections. It could be 1 depending on which contact we choose. So if we choose the contact 5 here, contact number 7, it's got the map built directly in. So we're going to go ahead and grab contact 7 because it's got the map and the contact built directly into that. So it's going to load everything. So what we're going to do here is, let's say this is the theme we built here. We're going to click done and publish. All right, now that we've done that, what we're doing is just refreshing the page, just taking a look to see how it actually looks. And now we can go in and make all of our edits. Now we can add different elements, we can move different elements, but when you're building a custom one, so the big areas you want are details, gallery, video, map, and contact. So we're going to see that that stuff is already built in. So when we're ready to start editing, what we'll do is we'll go in and we can just start editing from top down. So if we take a look here in the top area, incredibly simple, and we click on the type of background, now we can actually have a photo, a video, a slideshow, a parallax feel, different gradients. But what we're primarily seeing is people want to have a photo, a video, a slideshow, or a parallax. So let's grab a parallax just to kind of look at this. And if we click on photo, we're going to go ahead and grab the kitchen photo. And there is, see how the picture stays the same and how everything scrolls by. So if we want to make the font appear a little bit darker on here, it's got a background overlay on this at 55%. So if I changed it to 70%, it's going to actually make it a little bit darker. Go ahead and click Save. Now, just like with everything else, when you see the element that you want, you can click on it, click on the wrench, and you're going to get in there. And if you look through this, here's your content right here. Now you do have full access to go ahead and completely manipulate all kinds of things. This is a full web editor. This is what we've been using to build real estate websites for years. And it is an amazing tool to go ahead and build single property websites. But we've made it very simple for you. So if we look at, like, these elements are sitting here, we're not going to want that there. So we're going to go ahead and click the X. Do you really want to delete? You're going to say OK. Okay, so now we look through here. Let's say we've made our edits. We've went ahead and clicked the different areas, and we're going to say the background. We're going to remove this. We want to upload directly. And we're going to click Save there. Okay, so now that we've got that, when we're done, we're going to click Done and Publish. I like to refresh the page so it pulls it fresh. And then I can kind of proof everything the way I want it. And when I want it the way I want it, I'm good to go. So if you want to see more advanced tutorials on how to upload directly to galleries or for domain mapping and all that stuff, remember, click on our Help Center. I'm Jason. Thanks for watching.